have seen, I have already like twisted my hair and tried to curl it yesterday, and here it is. Oh my gosh, this hairpiece looks so good. Like, you can actually make a pony out of this hairpiece because it looks like human hair, so nice and shiny. So yeah, I've already washed my hair, as you guys can see. I've already washed it. I didn't use a conditioner, I just used shampoo only. It's nice and clean. So now we're going to attempt to do these boho braids. Yeah, I think I'm just going to do the front pieces and maybe the back. Let me see. Let's part it like this. Yeah, okay. Let's see. This morning is again saying nah. I hope these curls came out right because I need to start over. So I have my pin, this needle, crochet needle. It better be curled or else you kaban. To be bulky. Okay, this is the little piece. I think this is going to be enough for so I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I think I should twist it around this part, like the starting part, or maybe braid it. I don't know now. I actually don't know. I have the vision, but okay, let me start by, okay, this is too long because if I let it, okay, let me see. It's twisted around, so, and then braid it as if see a braider. I'm braiding it in with the hair. Okay, it's braiding. Wait. Okay, nice and tight. Okay, and then putting it together. I don't know what I'm doing, but I need to make a hole. Okay, I'm gonna take this. Let me try and like, because I don't have electric hook, so this is what I'm going to do. Huh? No, you first put it in like inside the braid. Kanjina. Okay, it's inside, and then I don't remember. Oh, what? And then okay. Oh, child, this better work or else. And then you put it in. Ugh. doesn't want to. I think I do have electric. Do I? Okay, let me just. Okay, let's see if I take the little piece, this one, and then I tie it around. So see if it happens, because I need to make an easier way. I won't tie it in like so, make it a knot. See what happens. Is it staying? Okay, this looks better than. Yeah, that's easy. Is it? Okay, let me try it again. Take this piece, lower it a bit around, and then tie it. Yeah. Okay, so I guess I don't need electric. And then I'm just gonna cut this because it's longer than the hair. I'm gonna take my scissors. But you guys see me. You guys see the vision. Should I tie this? Ooh, I wonder how I'm going to undo these braids, because okay, let me just leave it like this. Yeah. Okay. And then we're going to chop it, and then it looks good.
I did in my Valentine, and I did make you my temperature defense. Me, I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your loving me totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your kwabi. I need a wakamishi. Open up, make I see you. You're my love, one city. If you make a bad nothing, no. I want to carry for my head, and you are when you carry to my bed. No, don't tell me no. You could be my partner, never I just don't know. And we can do a milk, you don't need to buy you. Tell her what you do, and I have to carry go. Yeah, but you never carry shit. Open up, make I see you, man. Now you ain't kind of fancy. They do me, I keep parking. No.
So I finished doing this Boho DIY, and yeah, I'm going to use some gel here, but this is how we're looking. I'm going to go in with my mousse. I don't know if this is going to be enough, but I'm taking this olive oil. Okay, let me just comb it with my fingers first. Ow. Okay, let my curls low on a one. Ow. We comb it with my fingers first. me red looks. This is the back. They look so cute. I love them. I love them so much. Ah, they're so beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm not naked. I'm just trying. I was trying on some clothes. Ah, they look so cute. I'm so proud of myself. The work I do. I hate these nails, so don't mind them. But I did good. I did great. So I want to show you guys how they look when they're tied. Yeah, this is how they look tied. They are cute, pretty. Don't mind me, I'm not wearing in a styling job because I'm at home, but these are cute. The things I do, the things I do, the things I do. I like them. What do you guys think? Yeah? Okay, so it's already late, so I'm going to post this video right now. Oh, so pretty. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.